Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. I am Anant. I have come with a new topic, that is Selenium part 4a. It is related to previous videos. Let's begin. In this video today we will learn method of WebDriver interface. Now method of WebDriver interface. These are methods of WebDriver. First, close method. It is used to close the current browser or parent browser. And get method is using get method we can only enter a URL. Get current URL. The command is used to retrieve the URL of the web page the user is currently accessing. The command does not require any parameter and return a string value. Get page source. The command is used to retrieve the page source of the web page the user is currently accessing. The command does not require any parameters and return a string value. And next one, get title. The command is used to retrieve the title of the web page of user is currently working on. A null string is a return if the web page has no title. And again, the command does not require any parameter. And next one is navigate. The first thing you will want to do after launching a browser is to open your websites. This can be achieved in a single line. By using a navigate button, you can press the browser back buttons and press the browser forward button, and you can refresh the current page. And quit method, it is used to close all the browsers. And difference between close and quit method: close method close the only current browser, and quit method close all the browsers. Next one is a manage method. It is mainly used to moving and resizing the browser windows. By using this method, you can resize the window of the pixels and set up the window size and get window position. You can maximize the window and minimize the window. And get window handle and switch to. These two methods I will cover when I will teach handling pop-ups topics. Now let's see all these methods except get window handles and switch to. Open Eclipse. Here you can see I already created the Selenium Java project. Now expand this and expand this RC and select package self. Right click, new, and create a one class. Class name is web driver method. I create a main method along with the class. Here you can see the class is created. Now I create one static block. In static block, we write a system.setProperty. System.setProperty. Here you can see the system.setProperty method. Click on this, enter. Now I will give key and value. What is system.setProperty? The system.setProperty is nothing but you are specifically telling your browser where the browser.exe file is placed in your system and telling it to open the browser. System.setProperty method set the system property indicated by the specific key. So give key value. Key value is WebDriver. WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. This is a key value and value is dot slash. Why I am using dot slash? When I use the dot slash, cursor will be placed on the Selenium Java project. And now driver, this is a folder name, slash Chrome driver dot exe. That is a exe file location. Now I will open a browser, write a web driver is equal to new Chrome driver. What is this? Place the cursor here and import the Chrome driver and also import the web driver. And what is a web driver? Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Web driver is an interface. Driver is a reference variable and is equal to is the assignment operator. New is a keyword using the create a object. Chrome driver. is a constructor. Now first I am using a get method. Driver.get is mainly used to enter a URL. So I give the URL, open browser, copy facebook.com URL, Control C, and now paste it here. And now let's see, run the program. Open a Chrome browser, enter a facebook.com, it will open. You can see now I closing my browser manually, but I want to close after execution of the program. So put a one method driver dot close. You can see close method is used to close the browser which is used to currently. Now again run the program, starting a Chrome browser, enter a URL facebook.com. Now close the browser. You can see now next one method is get current URL. Driver dot get current URL. This method return the browser URL which is currently used. Right? Put a one reference variable. See, and return type is string. So I give a one print statement. Here we print the GC. I want to print the GC. So now run the program. Starting a Chrome browser, enter a facebook.com and close the browser. Here you can see that it is return the value of the current URL what I am using. If you want to open any other URL, so here we use one method is navigate. How to navigate? I will show you. Driver dot navigate dot to. This method is also used to enter a URL. So here you give the URL. Now here I give the google.com. Okay, copy the URL. Okay, now paste it here. Okay, and then I will use the method of get current URL. So now run the program. And switch to and close the browser. Here you can see that currently using a browser is google.com. Okay, now one more method is get title. How it is? Dot get title. Get title method is used to print the title of the page. This is the title of the page, and you can see if I enter www.facebook.com, this is the title of the page. So let's see. I want to store a get title value, so I put a one reference variable GT and place the cursor here, and return type is a string. Create a local variable, and now again I want to print a GT value. So give the print statement. I want to print the GT. Now run the program and we'll see what we give. Open a Chrome browser, enter a URL facebook.com, switch to google.com, and now close the browser. Here you can see give the current URL of the page, and get title, give the title of the page. Now how many method is covered? First get method, navigate method, and also get current URL and get title method. Now one more method is a manage method. How is manage method work? So driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, this method is used to maximize the window. So run the program, we'll see what will happen. Starting a Chrome browser, maximize the window, enter a facebook.com, switch to google.com, close the browser. Now here you can see the all method working properly. So one more method is a get page source. It is used to return the HTML of the page. I want to delete it, and driver dot get method, give the URL. Now open a Chrome browser. I want to open a naukri.com. copy the URL and paste it here. So now method is driver dot page source. Now I want to store a value of the page source. So put a one reference variable and place the cursor here. Create a local variable, return type is string, and now give the one print statement. Here I want to put the GPS value. So now run the program and we'll see what happens. Open a Chrome browser, maximize the Chrome browser, enter a Naukri.com and close the browser. Here you can see the another child window of the Naukri.com. I close manually, and here you can see the page source of the Naukri.com. This is the page source of the Naukri.com. And now one method is quit method. How it is used? Let's see. I want to with the close method. So driver.quit. Quit method is used to close all the window. So here you can see that I closing a manually child window of the Naukri.com. So now run the program and we'll see what happened. Open a Chrome browser, maximize the Chrome browser, enter a Naukri.com, and here you can see the child window of the Naukri.com. And when I use a quit method, all window get closed. Here you can see no more child window is open. And now you are understand what is the difference between quit and close method. Now I covered all the method except window handles and switch to. So thank you for watching my videos.